Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to online check-in on Easyjet. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Easyjet account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Easyjet? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. In the browser, type easyjet.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Easyjet. Once you get in there, check the top right corner to follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Easyjet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to online check in on Easyjet. From your homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top corner of your screen where you have these tabs, which include flight info, holidays, cars and transfer, business, booking.com, and manage booking. So take it to manage bookings, and you have those three categories: flight bookings, hotel and car bookings. You have Easyjet holiday bookings. So head over to the flight bookings category and click on check-in online, and it's going to take you right into the check-in window where you can now follow through with the prompt to check in online. What would you like to do? So over here, go ahead and click on view bookings for you to view your booking. So right here under the flight category, you're definitely going to find your booking. So you're going to have to click on whatever booking. All right, you can click on that and put it through with the prompt to check in online. Now, you may be asked to enter your booking reference number for you to check in online once you get to this page. So ensure that you have your ticket number or your booking reference number. You have to get it, ensure that you have it handy so you can enter it and click on it and follow through with the prompt to check in. It's that easy. Now, how can you get your booking reference number? After making your booking, you must have been sent a mail, a confirmation mail. So check your mail, and in that mail, your booking reference number is right stored in there. So go ahead and copy your booking reference number, and you're going to be asked to put that in. And after doing that, follow through with the step-by-step processes to check in. Now, once you're done, you'll be good to go. This is pretty much how to online check-in on Easyjet to have a safe flight ahead. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.